Welcome to another Medlook 4 tutorial. Today we will be looking at the SQL commands. Now the SQL commands are part of the Medlook suite, but they are not directly tied into the Medlook program. If you want to, you can run the SQL commands without Medlook running. So to get to it from the actual Medlook program, you will go to Tools, go down to SQL Commands, and click that menu option. You will have to sign in and be a valid user of Medlook in order to use them. Hit OK. And then here you go. This is the SQL Commands dialog. Now, what you see here is just the SQL for different layouts that we use in Medlook. So, the patient table right here is the SQL for the current layout I have selected in the background here for this table right here. So, if you wanted to view this without being in Medlook, you would just select whatever option you want to out of this drop down, and you would hit Execute SQL, and that would run the SQL, and then you can view it. So you hit View, and it will bring it up in your default web browser. And as you can see, we have our patients here and all of their patient data that is specified to be shown in this SQL statement. Now, we have the filters built into SQL commands, and to use them, all you have to do is get rid of any where clauses that you have in the SQL. So here we have a where. You get rid of it, and then to enter in a new where statement, all you have to do is make a space for it in the SQL and hit the Place Where button, and it places this special character string that we have built into Medlook for to specify where you want to place the where statement. And then you will go to Filters, and you select whatever filters that you want. So we will say we want everybody with the last name A through K. You will apply that, and then there you go. Your filter was set. So in order to execute it, you just hit Execute SQL, view it, and there you go. There's everybody in the database with the last name A through K. Now, that was with the HTML view. You can also save it as XML, and you just do the exact same thing that I just showed you. The zip option is just to zip the file. So if you have an extremely large database, you can zip it and it will shrink. Now some of the other options we have on here, I'll show you. You just hit the Options button, and you have all of these options here. Now you can change the colors, and to do that, you select what item you want to change. We will say we want the page background color to be light blue. You would hit Apply, and that option would be applied. Now, you can also have these font options over here for the title font, the table header font, and the table font. Now let's say we want the title font to be normal. You would just hit the Normal Options button, but we want the table header font to be bold and underlined. So you just hit the Bold Options button, and you check the underline box. You hit Apply, and let's say you don't want the page title to be Title 1. You want it to be Format 1. You just type in whatever title you want and hit Apply. Hit OK, and then to see it, you hit Execute SQL once again, and then when you view it, there you go. You have your title, Format 1. Your column headers are underlined and they are bold, and the background color is the light blue that we selected. Now, to load SQL that is not built into the Medlook program, say that you typed out an SQL statement that you want to generate yourself, you would go to Load SQL. As you can see, we're in a folder right now that has a lot of SQL statements already in it. So you wanted to load this bump dates SQL. You would click it and hit open, and there you go. As you can see, the SQL was loaded in here. So I hope this video has helped, and have a nice day.